How to mass delete emails on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device and then search for Clean Email Inbox Cleaner. Install this application, open it and log into your account. Then click on View and Clean Your Inbox, which is the second option. After that, you'll find all your mails. Press on Select at the bottom. After you've pressed on Select at the bottom, you'll find options like Old Mail, Large Mail, Unread option at the top. Click on it and then press on Select All at the bottom. After you've pressed on Select All, click on Trash at the bottom, which will delete all your emails in one time. This is how to mass delete emails on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.